Hi Planet Bestie, welcome to my channel. As you see, this is a Wondermind and cloth and paper subscription box for the month of October. If this is something that interests you, hopefully you stay until the end and leave a comment and your thoughts of this subscription box. So did you get this month's subscription? And if you did, what was something that you was looking forward to in this box that made you want the box? Well, first off, it caught my attention because the blue, and blue is my favorite color. So that was the number one thing. And then the next thing that caught my eye was the planner clips. Then next, it was the theme dealing with mental health. So let's go ahead and get into the themes. Okay, so per usual, I like to look at the what's inside card first, because it does give you the pictures and it gives you the details what's included in the box. Okay, so we did get this planner card. What does success look like for me? And it's definitely perfect for layering. So I'm definitely looking forward to placing that in my planner for 2025. Okay, so now, of course, we got a reflection card. You know, every month we get a reflection card. I typically utilize them to do a journaling prompt at the end of the month. But other than that, I really don't have a usage for them. And of course, we do get the pop-up card. And this is information from the founders in the collab, and they have a QR codes. Okay, so next up are the pens. And we did get 2 pens. And I will test these pens out a little bit later. So I think I forgot to cancel or skip a subscription. And I think I'm getting another box. So I have to decide. I have to check my email to see. Because I can't remember. But I might have to do a giveaway. I'm not sure if I didn't cancel it. We shall see. So let's go ahead and open up these clips. So I was shocked and surprised when I saw that cloth and paper had this color available. But I'm so glad that they did. Okay, so next I have to open up the sticky notes. And I do remember seeing the unboxing of this here on YouTube. Okay. Now this is different package from their sticker sheets. And I like this because it's the recycled paper. So I'm loving the packaging of this. And I think this is the first time I've seen the stickers like this. It might not happen, but it's the first time I've noticed it. And I'm loving the mood stickers. I'm looking forward to adding it to the notebook. So we're also receiving a dashboard. Okay, so the dashboard just has the collaboration names on them. So let's go ahead and get into, let's see what they call this. The Candid Wellness Discbound Journal. Okay, so let me take the protective film from off of the covers. So this is this month Quilted Bag, and I do remember actually seeing during a happy hour that it has the Wondermind initials on it. So this year we received a black bag and an olive green bag, a quilted bag. And you know we receive vegan leather pouches or dust bags throughout the year. What's your preference? Do you prefer the vegan leather dust bags or the quilted bags? Which one do you prefer? Leave that in the comments. So guys, let's go ahead and look at the notebook that we received. So I definitely need to get the dashboard and the sticker sheet to add to the journal. With this dashboard, I wish it had something else that was on it. I don't know, a design, quote, picture, or something else. So that it would be a great layering moment. Now let me go ahead and add the stickers. And I love the fact that the sticker sheet can snap into the discount system. I would definitely love to see more stickers like that where I can just snap them in. That would be absolutely awesome. If we could have some icon or some header stickers to snap into our planners. Okay, so this is the first section, which says agenda. It is like a Hobonichi style. And by the way, I do love the foil that's on the dividers. And this right here is the workshop section. And that's just where you can write in your reflections. So these reflection inserts are different from the other reflection inserts that they have. The last section of the notebook is the journaling section, which has lined paper. Okay, so let's test out the 2 pens that we received in this box. So the pen writes fine. I mean, it has a smooth glide as you write, which is fine. It's a black ink. And let's test out the next pen. Okay, so this is the blue-black pen that she mentioned during happy hour. So they're both right fine, but I wish I still had that option to choose whether to get the pens or not. And hopefully in 2025 they decide to give us back that option, because I prefer not to have the pens. But let's look at this pouch compared to the black pouch that we received a few months ago. So that's it for the unboxing of Quilted Papers and Wondermind's October Intention Box. Please like, share, and subscribe, and have an awesome day.